You're not lazy. You're addicted. Addicted to comfort, addicted to distraction, addicted to the easy version of life that's slowly destroying your future. And the scary part? You don't even realize it, because it feels normal. Scrolling for hours feels normal. Avoiding hard work feels normal. Telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow, feels normal. But what if I told you? That normal is exactly why you're stuck. Right now, there's a version of you. A dangerous version. Disciplined, focused. The kind of person who doesn't negotiate with excuses. The kind of person who doesn't need motivation because they've built standards. And that version of you is watching you waste time. Think about this. If someone gave you $1 million today, but told you wouldn't wake up tomorrow, would you take it? Of course not. So, why are you wasting something even more valuable for free? Your time. Every single day, you wake up with a choice. Stay comfortable, or become someone uncomfortable enough to grow, because growth is never comfortable, and that's why most people never experience it. Let's be real for a second. You don't need more motivation. You've watched enough videos, saved enough quotes, made enough promises to yourself. What you need is to finally get tired of your own excuses. There comes a moment in life where something shifts, not because you got inspired, but because you got disgusted. Disgusted with where you are, disgusted with your habits, disgusted with your lack of discipline. And that moment, that's where everything changes. Right now, someone else is working. Someone with less talent than you, less resources than you, less intelligence than you, but they're winning. Why? Because they showed up when you didn't. You keep waiting to feel ready. But let me tell you something brutal. You will never feel ready. The gym won't feel easy at first. Waking up early won't feel natural. Discipline won't feel good. But neither does regret. And regret lasts longer. Imagine your life 5 years from now. If you keep doing exactly what you're doing today, same habits, same mindset, same excuses, where do you end up? Be honest. Now imagine this. You fix your routine. You build discipline. You do the hard things daily, even when you don't feel like it. Where do you end up then? That gap you just imagined? That's the cost of your current decisions. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Success is boring. It's waking up early when nobody's watching. It's doing the work when you don't feel like it. It's repeating the same habits over and over again. There's no hype music, no instant results, just consistency. But here's the twist. That boring consistency, that's where greatness is built. You don't need a new plan. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need more information. You need to execute. Start small if you have to, but start. One workout, 1 hour of focus, one decision to stop wasting time. Because momentum doesn't come from thinking, it comes from action. And listen carefully. Your environment is shaping you. If you're surrounded by distractions, you'll stay distracted. If you're surrounded by mediocrity, you'll stay average. So, ask yourself, are you building your environment, or is it controlling you? At some point, you have to stop blaming everything else. Your past, your situation, your lack of resources, because none of that changes anything. Action does. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Nobody is coming to save you. No perfect opportunity. No magical moment. No sudden burst of motivation that changes everything. It's you. It's always been you. So, the question is simple. How much longer are you going to wait? Another week? Another month? Another year? Or are you finally going to decide that enough is enough? Because one day, you'll look back at this moment and you'll either say, this is where everything changed, or this is where I kept making excuses. The choice, it's yours. Right now, not tomorrow, not later, now. And if you want to change your life, hit that subscribe button.